Good morning, Patriots. This is Mrs. Coolish reporting from the Patriot Room at the Coolish House on Wednesday, September 16th, 2020. We're going to begin this broadcast with the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by the moment of silence, and then the school vision. At this time, please stand, place your hand over your heart, and remove any hats or hoods. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. School vision. Ready, begin. The George Washington Academy School Vision is to meet students' needs by providing differentiated instruction with consistent curriculum in a safe, welcoming, supportive, and positive setting while maintaining patriotism, high expectations, and mutual respect. Today is day 3 of Constitution Week. In the announcements, you will find the link for the student council speeches. Classes, please watch these speeches sometime today so the students can gain an understanding of who the candidates are and what they plan to do this year if elected. Voting will take place tomorrow. Today's breakfast is a whole grain blueberry muffin, pretzels, applesauce, 100% orange juice, and milk. And lunch is a turkey and cheese sandwich, fruit and milk. Mrs. Nichols will be out today. Thank you, Mrs. Swanson and Mrs. Hudson, for filling in. Interventions will continue today and will be the following. From 11 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. will be the 6th through 8th math interventions with Mrs. Brownhogan, Mrs. Hudson, and Mr. D. 6th and 8th grade will be in their classrooms and 7th grade will be in the library. From 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m., the kindergartners will have their interventions with Mrs. Pickett in the K1 classroom. From 11:45 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. will be the first grade interventions with Mrs. Hudson in room 2 and me in room 1, and the second grade interventions with Mrs. Swanson in the Nook. And finally, from 1:45 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. will be the third grade interventions with Mrs. Swanson in the Nook, fourth grade interventions with Mrs. Hudson in room 2, and fifth grade interventions, group A with me in room 1, and group B with Mr. D in the library. Students in grades 3 through 8, Wednesday electives are today and are the following classes. Newspaper with me in room 1, D&D with Mr. D in room 8, line dancing with Mrs. Swanson in the gym, intermediate band with Mrs. Lyman on the stage, silent reading with Mrs. Weber in room 9, arts for grades 6 through 8 with Mrs. Meyer in room 10, historical drama with Miss Thomas in room 11, and study hall with Mrs. Hudson in the library. And of course, peer mentors, you go to your assigned classes. If your birthday is today, this one goes out to you. This is your birthday song. It isn't very long. Ole. Progress reports are going out today. Students, please review them with your parents and have them sign them as they are due back signed tomorrow. In other news, Mr. D would like to give a shout out to the middle school group for being very respectful yesterday. Thank you, students, for showing great citizenship. Speaking of respect, our own Madeline in Mrs. Weber's class made some great signs about respect, and we have them displayed in the office. Thank you, Madeline. Our closing announcements will be delivered via email today. Teachers, kindly share those remarks with your classes at 3 p.m. After the announcements, we will begin the staggered dismissal times. Please send Group 1 to the gym at 3:05 p.m., Group 2 at 3:15, and Group 3 at 3:25 p.m. Thank you, Kinder and K1, for bringing your students to the gym by 3:05 p.m. Speaking of dismissal, it went much better yesterday. As a reminder, students, when you arrive, please quietly go to your line and wait patiently for your name to be called. The winning class for yesterday was 5th grade, which was led by Eli. He was a great role model student and also has earned a role model prize for his behavior. Great job, 5th grade and Eli. Tomorrow will be GWA t-shirt day for free or uniform buyout for $1. PAC will also have popcorn for sale for $1 a bag. Please remember, the class that has the most students that wear their GWA t-shirt tomorrow will win a bonus Patriot point. I wonder which class will reach the goal of 20 points first. That's it for today's announcements. Thank you for your undivided attention. If you have any questions, please let me know. Here is your unicorn clue for today. And I got this suggestion from Katie in 3rd grade or 4th grade. So thank you, Katie. Okay, let me go. I'm going to put it there again just for you for a second. Okay, so what I'm looking for today is what word was on the banner part of the sticker at the bottom of the unicorn. So the first student to let their teacher know and the teacher let me know will be our winner for the day. Thank you all for playing and have a wonderful Wednesday, everyone.